Hi guys, this is Srishti.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I am Zia.
And I'm Sanjana.
And
we are Besharam.
We're sexy Besharam.
We are banging Besharam. Banging
Banging
Besharam.
Banging Besharam. OnlyFans,
Hey.
guys. Let us know
OnlyFans.
down in the comments
I'm
if
gonna,
you want to see
I'm gonna
what-
touch wood to banking Besharam because one day
banking.
get money.
And banking.
What if Besharam becomes a bank?
Besharam Bank.
Bro,
Only for baddies.
Oh,
Besharam.
I love that.
Bank for baddies.
I love that.
Yes, we're cooking. But this is something that kid us would do. Would think of
Kid
doing.
us.
Get us.
Baby Besharam.
Shishu us.
Oh
my God, I'm
Besharam's
cooking.
baby line. Oh, baby Besharam.
We have to name it Shishu, bro.
Shishi.
We name it potty only.
Potty core. But
Sure.
basically, the premise of this video is that we are discussing a bunch of shit that we were told as kids and we bought
We
into it.
believed it.
Yeah.
Believed it.
Yeah,
We like
believed
told
it.
But
putty
we-
on our eyes. We're like, हाँ ये सही है.
Yes.
Sometimes
Yes, I
we even like made our lies up of our own. And we
Yeah.
have believed those.
Hmm.
Yeah.
For whatever fucking
whatever
It's
reason.
the joy, bro. Simple pleasures of being a kid.
Hmm.
I love how oblivious children are.
Yeah.
They
Yeah.
don't know anything. I even love when like people are not very like exposed to like a city setting or like a very formal education, because yes, of course there is downsides to that, but they are that blissful ignorance
Yeah.
is something I crave for sometimes.
Yeah.
There's so much joy in not knowing everything.
That's
Yes.
so correct.
I mean, at times I just feel like I of course feel bad that I don't know everything, but I'm also so glad that
There's
I
don't
don't
know.
want to know everything.
Exactly.
I sometimes
I don't
Pappu
want to
banao
be the
mujhe, man.
know-it-all.
Banao
Pappu
mujhe.
हाँ, I don't want to be the
Banao
know-it-all.
mujhe.
Valid.
Bro, actually I never understood how like these the shows that I grew up watching,
Yeah.
like Hannah Montana and like Wizards of Waverly Place and all of those Disney shows.
Yeah.
I never fucking understood why like Santa being revealed
Hmm.
as like something that was not real was a big thing, because these Western kids truly believe that Santa is real.
Is
They
real.
truly believe
Hmm.
Tooth Fairy is real.
Yes.
That never sat right with
Even
me, because
today, they believe it. Till
Yeah.
today.
no kid in India, like that I know of, believes that Santa's real.
Yeah, I think
That's-
even when
yeah.
I was little and like I celebrate Christmas. I
Hmm.
celebrate Christmas, and then when it was like Christmas Eve or like
Hmm.
the morning of Christmas, when I was a kid and when I used to receive gifts, I think for like 1 year I must have believed, you know,
Yeah.
for the fairy tale of it, for the
Vibe of
for
it.
the vibe of it, I was
To
like, okay,
experience it.
fine, you know, maybe Santas do exist.
Yeah.
Mm.
But after a point, I used to tell my parents, hey, I want this. And then I was like, hey, Santa, I need my gift.
No, I think
yeah.
Indian kids are so fucking pragmatic that way. Like, they are visionaries.
Yeah, no?
I remember because one of my cousins who does not live in India,
Hmm.
he had come to visit, and he had like we used to play like board games, Uno, everything
Yes.
every single day. Like we were a team. That trip that he had come, we were a team, and we
Hmm.
used to play daily for hours.
Hmm.
Okay, whatever game we had. And he was like, "Oh, did you know Santa's not real?" I was like, "पहले Santa कौन है वो बताओ." Santa है कौन और कौन
मुझे
इसमें
Santa
मार
Manta
रहा है?
पता है।
Santa Manta
Santa
जोक चाहिए, मेरे पास जोक बुक भी है, स्कूल के फेयर में से
Fair
ली
में.
थी.
Oh fuck. So I used to do this thing where I would like write what I want in a chit and then I would keep that under my pillow. And my parents used to obviously see it
Yeah.
and then get me the gift next morning.
Now
Yeah.
parents don't check under the pillow anymore.
they
That's why
don't.
that's
I'm
where we
so
hide things.
grateful. I am so fucking grateful. bro.
but
Bring
you know,
back the whimsy of parents checking under the pillow.
yeah, dude. But you know, one thing that has scarred me, and this is probably why I'll never ever believe in the tooth fairy,
Hmm.
is because my mom was the mom who would pluck,
Pluck your
tooth.
tooth out.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Yes,
dude, I remember to this day, there was this tooth on my left side, okay?
Yeah.
And it was, and I was a kid who had rotten teeth growing up.
Hmm.
I used to have so many chocolates that my like front 4 teeth were rotten for like a good, like
Hmm.
few years.
Hmm.
Bro.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't think few years. I feel
Yeah,
like,
like for a
For a
while.
while.
Yeah.
And my mom was of the firm believer that naturally नहीं निकलना है,
खुद से ही
खुद
करना
से
पड़ेगा.
निकालो.
Manual है.
If you don't do it, I will do it for you.
My dad was that.
And my dad never, he was like, bhai, listen, if it's hurting you, then let it come off naturally.
Hmm.
But my mom was
My
like,
mom would just leave.
and my mom, now, she has very stubby fingers.
Hmm.
And as a kid, it would fill your entire mouth.
Yes.
Because the mouth is small and she has stubby fingers. She used to put her...
PTSD.
Exactly, right?
Hmm.
And she put her finger in my mouth like this, took it from the root and plucked it.
Like
So
grapes.
I'm like, woman, and I remember to say, one second, guys. I was like this. I was like, Mama, don't do it. And she was like, no, give me your tooth. And she did that.
No, I'll do you one
Oh
better.
shit.
I'll do you one better. You know what my mom did? Not just for me, but for my cousins also. Because my house used to be the hub.
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright.
Hmm.
It was a summer hub. So
Hmm.
my mother used to take care of 8 children at once.
God.
Yeah.
Line me.
Yeah. No. Fuck all that. She used to every time, like, you know, when you have like a tooth that is about to break and
You
there's
play
one little
Oh,
thing left.
Yes,
yuck,
yes,
I
that's
don't
the
like
gum,
that.
that's the gum.
I don't like that.
The one little piece of gum left.
Hmm.
She
I'm
would just be
feeling
like,
it.
she was just like, come here, come here.
Oh, I know.
Let me see it. Let me see it. 1, 2.
Oh my God.
It was so bad. I was fucking traumatized, but I let her do it every time.
No,
I
my
think
dad
I would
was the
drop. I
most-
would drop there only if she did
My
that.
dad was not like that at all. I remember this one time, रात मतलब सुबह हुआ था कि दांत टूटने वाला और फिर वो पूरा दिन वैसे ही चला. फिर रात में मुझे लगता था I had to go to school, ठीक है? So पापा और मैं, my mom is fallen asleep. पापा और मैं बैठे और पापा बस wait कर रहे because I'm sort of trying to do it myself
with,
also.
with
Like,
the
you know, you
tongue, with the
Yeah.
tongue.
Yes, you like feel.
And then, yeah, go on.
I was doing that, and my dad was so patiently waiting for me कि अपने आप ही टूटेगा. He didn't like pluck it for me or like
Yeah.
try to do it himself or like try a dhaga and then pull the dhaga or
No.
something.
Yeah.
He was
Parents get way too creative nowadays. Huh?
Yes.
And I'm like, bro, shut up. Please shut up.
खुद से सीखेगा
Give them
बच्चा.
a little trauma.
Yes.
Sorry.
Like I'm waiting. फिर मैं मेरी टंग से करते करते ही वो टूट गया.
No, that I-
bro, same used to happen. with
उसके
me.
बाद से मुझे कभी डर नहीं लगा of my
Yeah,
my
same.
teeth or tooth breaking.
Because my dad would insist, like, let me remove it. And my mom was like, are you stupid? Let it be. And then every time either I would be brushing like my teeth, or like while I'm playing with it, it would come off. So all my teeth have came off like that. Like,
No, because
Yeah.
there was this
So
other
fun.
time where I was like, Mama, enough. Now you will not do it. And I was like,
This is a boundary I'm drawing now.
I am-
Please don't
I
cross
have
it.
become a big girl. And I was having Maggie.
Hmm.
Okay, and I still remember I was watching Ravan.
Ooh,
okay.
good days.
Good days, bro.
Good days.
And I was sitting with my bowl of Maggie and my tooth fell in my Maggie. And I could taste the blood with the
No, I'd rather you put ketchup.
Yeah, I'd rather you put ketchup.
And after that, I was like, Mama, next time, no, you only take it out.
Hmm.
I was like, that is better.
This brings me to think that when I was young and my teeth would break out, my parents would tell me कि वहाँ जहाँ दांत निकल गए वहाँ don't put your tongue.
Yeah, because
Otherwise, it will
It's
stunt
true.
the growth of your.
it's true that happened to me.
What?
It
Yeah.
does.
What?
It's never happened to me.
Because I used
Yeah,
to do that
same.
for my front teeth.
Yeah.
That's why I had braces for 4 years.
No, my parents told me कि it doesn't come out or like grow weird. It just stunts the growth of your teeth. Like it doesn't
never
come out.
It doesn't sound gross teda.
नहीं मुझे बोला था कि it stunts the growth of your teeth.
हाँ तो to scare you.
हाँ वही ना, and I believed it. मैं कभी नहीं करती थी because it was fun.
Ah.
It was like a soft.
It was like gooey.
Yeah, it was nice. After it sort of
Yeah.
healed.
And it has like a weird taste to it. Like,
Taste waste नहीं याद भाई.
don't you remember it? It
Y'all
had
are
like a,
freaks. Huh?
I just remember tasting blood.
yeah.
That's
Oh
it.
my
But, like,
god.
these
oh
I
my-
don't mind it.
oh my
You
God.
know you want to break a tooth.
No.
So
Like
straight
even
do
when
the
I like
honor.
pluck my this thing,
No.
this also anxiety ऐसा कुछ में मैं अपने होठ बहुत ऐसा करती हूँ और
Yeah, same.
मम्मा to stop me she's like don't do it otherwise your lips will like they'll get bigger.
Yeah.
I'm like
Yeah.
that's the aim woman.
Botox किसको चाहिए?
That's the aim.
Lip fillers? Lip fillers किसको चाहिए?
फिर मैं पूरा खींच दूंगी ना.
My mom was so worse when it came to me biting my nails. So I used to bite my nails a lot,
Yes.
or like stick my thumb in my mouth
Yeah.
and sleep. I used to do that for like a good 3-4 years.
Okay, that's
So-
not bad.
Yeah. Not until like very late.
Uh-huh.
But I would eat my nails a lot. So
Hmm.
there was this like really neem and really very bad and
Bitter.
very bitter tasting solution.
Yeah,
it was
I know,
neem ka
know.
patta
Yeah.
and
Kadwa
some,
hai.
and some like lemon and more.
Yeah, I
things.
know. To
She
prevent,
would
no?
put that solution like a nail paint on my
I
finger.
know that
My mom's done mirchi. Like she would lace my nails with mirchi and then she would like
Jalta-
up bite kar.
मिर्ची से नहीं जलता था
No, I didn't bite my skin. I would only bite my nails, so it wouldn't burn.
Oh, but that's evil, bro.
Yeah, to
Aye.
stop me. And then my nails grow well now.
Yeah.
So thank
They
you.
do?
Yeah,
Fair.
abhi cut hai, but they grow
Anyway,
pretty long now.
I remember this one thing whenever I graduated 10th standard. And then I was not happy with my marks.
Yeah.
Before that, everyone's like, this is a very important exam.
Hmm.
After your result,
Yeah.
every single time, you're like, अरे 2 साल में कोई नहीं पूछेगा 2 साल में
Oh,
कोई नहीं पूछेगा.
yes.
But
Same
I'm-
for 12th also.
Yeah, but I would like to disagree. Because your 10th marks matter. Your 10th and 12th marks
Matter.
You know, guys, to an
Absolutely matter.
extent,
It does
extent,
matter.
marks do matter.
I'm a firm
let
believer
me
of that.
explain
Yeah.
myself. Whatever marks you get depends what college you go to.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Very
and
true.
that is going to change fucking everything.
It's going to change the
Yes.
trajectory of your life completely.
Completely. And if you want, see, if you have like a range of colleges that you want to go to and the cutoff ranges, then I understand. If you want to go internationally, do well in competitive exams.
Yeah.
No problem. But if you're planning on staying in India and you know the kind of college you want to go to, you have to fucking
You
aim for
have
them.
to.
Yeah.
Because otherwise you'll have to do management quota. You
Hmm.
have to waste your parents' money. I would never do that. I struggled a lot because I had like 0.6 something percent left for me to get into one of the colleges that I want. Like the college that I ended up going to, I got in one of the last lists, and I remember it was so fucking stressful. Both of
Yeah.
us, and I remember we were all at Srishti's house,
Yeah.
and I was like,
Yes.
Ritika, what if you and I get into the
The same
same college?
college.
And at that time, it felt like a long shot. We laughed.
We laughed. And then I
Yeah.
was at my mamu's place when I got the list and I checked the list and then I saw कि मुझे ये college मिल गई है and then I called up Zia and Meher. Same college.
Same college. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whack.
I don't know how that happened, but I'm telling you, if I went to a different college or the college that the system had put me in initially, so we had to like register and then it would give us a college, right?
Yeah.
If that college I went to, I would not be the same person at all.
True,
real,
true.
for
Like
real.
when they say, you know, कि 10th के बाद set है.
Yeah.
To some extent, it is true. Yes, I think when parents say it or when elders say it, they mean it in a different way. They're like, they only say it just to make you study for that exam, and then they
Yeah.
say it for 12th also.
Yes.
But then now that you said this, I really feel like it is true to some extent because, like I said, marks of course matter to some extent, and
They do.
it depends if you have a different path for yourself, and if you know like
Don't give
If-
two shits about whatever
No,
college
no,
you end up
it's-
going to.
No, it's not even that. It's like some people, college just doesn't work out for them.
Hmm.
Dropping out of college, starting their own thing works out. But for
Yeah.
majority people,
Hmm.
completing
In
college
India.
in India, of course, completing college also is a commitment in itself.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even if you like it or not, even if you like the course, the college, the people in it, you completing the course, the 3 years going through it
Yeah.
is a commitment in itself, and it will definitely help you later on.
It
For
is.
sure.
Yeah,
So-
because
I
it's not like it's a small thing. There are so many people appearing.
Yeah.
There are so many limited seats. So if you're sitting there and wasting a seat, though in the middle you
Might
don't
as well give
feel
it
like
to someone who deserves
yeah,
Yeah, true.
exactly. So honestly, I have different opinions when it
Yeah.
comes to 10th marks. I did not do that well in my
Hmm.
10th board exams, but then eventually I had a plan which I followed, and I ended up doing the same thing as
Yeah.
I'm doing,
Yeah.
as I said in my plan. So honestly, if you are very strong headed, if you exactly know what you want,
Yeah.
then all of this doesn't matter. But if you are figuring out your career, if you want to
Yeah.
know like
That's true.
Yeah.
whether
Hmm.
this is apt for me or this is not good for me, then I think you should really work hard.
Yeah,
in
you
your
should.
10th.
And it's not
But
like
I know,
it-
like now, like the results have started to come out for 10th especially, and like a lot of you watching this may like, even be awaiting your results or may even have gotten your
it.
results.
yeah.
Do not get me wrong, it is
Yeah.
not set in stone. Okay?
Exactly,
It
I
is
was gonna
not
say
set in
that.
stone 1000%. things can change all the time. Things can change when you are going to your dream college also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your dream college could
It-
not be the worst, and your worst can be the best for you.
Yeah.
But the point that we are trying to make here is that going to college, sitting there for 3, 4, 5 years,
Hmm.
finishing the course, even if there are 200 other people graduating with you, it shows what you're capable of and how much you can commit to a thing
It shows
and
resilience.
finish. Yeah, it shows
Because
resilience
even though
for
you
sure.
don't like them, you're still going through it. You're still putting yourself through that. Because, like Srishti said, it's like you said, sorry, it's not set in stone. And with Srishti's experience, you probably did not get the number that you were expecting, and
Yeah.
you did not. Your college wasn't your first preference, at least for
Yeah.
junior college.
Yeah.
That happened to me for my senior college. I had a completely different college in mind, and where I ended up was not my best choice.
Hmm.
Mm.
And even though in the beginning I was a little like disheartened that I did not get it, if it was not for that college, I wouldn't be here today. In
That's
some way or
so
the other,
true,
I
yeah.
have to give some credit to
Credit.
that college.
Yes.
Because if it was not me hating that not hating, but not being satisfied with that college,
Hmm.
I wouldn't have pushed through and
Fair.
like,
That's
gone
so
way
true, Zen.
beyond my
That's so
boundaries.
true.
Yeah.
So like, yeah.
Yeah, just another fucking lie. You know what?
What?
I just remembered this.
Mm.
Whenever parents said पढ़ाई करोगे तो job मिल जाएगी,
किधर है?
पढ़ाई हो गई.
हमने सबने किया है. हम तो
किधर
आगे
है?
भी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं.
पढ़ाई हो गई है.
So I like to differ, but my parents didn't say this. Maybe because like my dad comes from a business background,
Hmm.
and he has that business mindset, and so does my mom. So then both of them, they always were like, you have to develop a skill set. You don't have to
Valid.
study.
Hmm.
Studying is not going to get you a job. Studying is not going to make you a successful
They were
person.
visionary like that, because that's so true now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were
Mm.
like, you have
It
to
can
have,
help you, but it can't land you.
Hmm.
yeah, you have to have good communication skills. You need to
Hmm.
know, like, if you are going to take up a particular, what do you say, industry, you need to know the, T's of the
Yeah.
industry.
Yes.
You need to do one thing and one thing only.
You need to be good at one thing.
Good at one thing.
Hmm.
And if you're not being able to be good at one thing, then do multiple things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then
But just
keep
do
doing-
things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
Don't
keep
get
doing
stuck.
things,
at
yeah.
some point.
Mastering things is important.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't matter. Like there are people that have never been to school. There are people that have not graduated 10th standard also, and they have made it for them.
Dude, our fathers.
My dad.
Yeah, my dad never went to like college.
My dad
Same.
neither. I
Same.
think my dad at most did his 10th, and then he was working with Dadu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now he has whatever he has on his own. So
But yeah, but the job market is such that पढ़ाई कर भी नहीं
nahi
Nahi
mil
mil
raha
raha
hai.
hai.
Exactly.
आजकल नहीं मिलता
नहीं
जॉब
मिल
पता
रहा
नहीं
है.
क्यों.
भाई, I'm telling you, if nothing works out ना, थैला लगा देंगे.
थैला
थैला.
Vada pav.
Vada pav
बड़ा
ka.
पाव का थैला.
ठेला
ठेला.
Thela.
थैला is पिशवी.
Bag.
Yes. ठेला लगा देंगे वड़ा पाव का.
एक वड़ा पाव का थैला.
In our gully. And
Sort.
sort है भाई.
Bro,
नहीं.
Thela se yaad aaya. So there was this time.
थैला for a reason.
Shut.
I just remembered that time we were playing Uno.
Oh my god, yes. She took a pause.
No,
and then
it was
she like,
6 yellow.
Seven
on-
yellow.
No, no, no.
yellow, and then you
6
put
yellow
six.
niche.
6 yellow niche.
6 yellow niche.
yellow
There's a
niche.
video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay,
there
okay.
was 6 yellow niche, and she had 7 yellow in her hand.
She
And
took
then
a
she was
pause.
like, Thala for a reason.
And it was 7 yellow.
Yeah.
Establish कर दिया ना वो.
Yeah. Multiple times.
अगर भूल गए हो तो it was 7 yellow.
So this one more lie my dad told me was, I used to fantasize clouds a lot. I don't know why. Okay.
Cloud chaser.
Cloud paglu.
Yeah.
So I used to like stay at home even when we would travel to Lonavala and everything. I would see those clouds on the
Yeah.
highway. I would keep telling my dad, I want to eat clouds. Like I want to be in clouds. I want to touch a cloud.
Yeah.
Like I want clouds. So
Then you
this
took you on
one
an
day,
aeroplane and opened the window.
emergency exit खोल दिया.
बेटी के लिए कुछ भी. Sorry.
बेटी पगलू.
That sounds so wrong.
Loves his daughter.
Okay.
बेटी पगलू.
तुम्हारी सोच गंदी है.
हाँ भाई.
हमारे शब्द नहीं.
हमने अभी अपने आप को पॉटी पगलू भी बुलाया ना. इसका मतलब क्या निकालेगी तू?
Sorry, bhai.
We love potty. Continue.
Yeah.
So once he was coming home from office and he
Hmm.
got buddhi ke bal,
Hmm.
cotton
Cotton
candy.
candy.
And he
Yeah.
gave that to me. It was white in color,
Hmm.
Yeah.
and he told me this is cloud.
Wow.
This was your introduction to cotton candy?
Yeah, bro. I used to.
You had never
had
seen
that.
cotton candy before that.
I had seen, but I had seen blue and pink color.
Ha,
I didn't see a white,
White one.
color. So then
Oh.
this one time, I was like, the next day I went to school and I was bragging to everyone. I was telling everyone,
My dad got
मेरे
me.
पापा ने ना मुझे क्लाउड खिलाया कल.
Yeah.
मीठा था बहुत.
And then they are like, क्लाउड खा सकते हैं? And then I was like,
Yes.
हाँ.
Of
Yeah,
course.
तुम्हारे
क्या है?
पापा नहीं लाते क्या?
And then
Poor.
10 रुपए की मिलती है.
Yeah.
And then ये चालू है for like good 2-3 months. Then do you guys remember अपने स्कूल के बाहर एक ये
हाँ.
Yeah,
Yes,
candy
candy
floss
floss.
वाला था.
हाँ,
हाँ.
कैंडी फ्लॉस वाला था. उसको मैंने बनाते हुए देखा. Without the pink.
क्षण से जो टूटे कोई सपना जग सुना
Copyright.
सुना.
Bro, without that pink food coloring or the blue food coloring thing, I first saw him made it. I cried. I
Heartbreak.
started crying.
Heartbreak.
That was your first
Right.
heartbreak.
I
Yeah.
swear, and my
क्या हुआ?
handbrake.
No, you were not there on the episode. I
I
we were
died.
talking
I
about
died
Drake's
laughing.
leaks, and I was like, Drake ka handbrake.
Bro, even while watching for the edit, I died. I kept going back to it. And she said, Dudhi.
Drake की दूधी.
Yeah. But yeah, I think it wasn't the same with me for clouds, but I, like, to this day, I believe that the moon follows me home.
Oh yeah,
And my
yeah.
mom, I used to see the
Yeah.
moon like while traveling from somewhere in the night. And in the cab, I used to, oh my God, did you all do that thing as a kid where you used to keep your mouth open out of the window so that your mouth just get dry?
Yeah,
Right?
always.
I used to
Always.
love doing that. And then my parents used to say, dirt will go in your mouth. I was like,
Sanjana
fine.
invented cotton mouth.
yeah, I mean, I used to always like do that.
Hmm.
Like, I used to keep my mouth open, and my mom used to say, like, dirt is going to go in your mouth. I was like, please,
Let me have my moment.
let me taste this
Yeah.
air.
It's brat.
Yeah. But yeah, I used to also believe that the moon was following me home.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then I used to come back home and see it out of my
The
window.
moon
and I
doesn't
couldn't
even
see
follow
it.
me on Instagram, bro. Fuck home.
What?
Okay, I tried.
Yeah.
Did not land.
So
Moon landing
मुझे
नहीं हुआ.
मुझे लगा कि
Guys, foreshadowing.
मुझे लगा कि सिर्फ मैं ही लैग कर रही हूँ बट उसका जोक ही बुरा था.
But to this day, I still like to
Believe that.
Believe
Same,
that.
It's a
same,
cute
same.
belief. It's
Yeah.
harmless.
I know it's harmless.
Same.
I know it's stupid, and I'm
Yeah.
like fine. Okay.
घर जाके नहीं दिखने वाला है. But
घर
what
जाके
is
नहीं
the
दिख रहा है.
what's the harzi in believing it?
So
Right.
even I used to say the same thing to my parents, and then my mom used to tell me, "Yeah, it makes sure you reach home safely." So that's why once you
Chanda
reach home,
mama.
yeah, that's why once you reach home, you can't see him. It was so
That's
cute.
No, that's cute. That's
Yeah,
very
and-
cute.
God.
I didn't
And-
think of it like that.
Yeah, and we used to be in the cars. No, so whenever we would be driving to some place, and my dad is driving. So then I used to think that when two cars are like next to each other
Yeah.
and they do this thing, so I used to think that the cars slow down because they are next to each other.
Sexual tension.
Automatically.
नहीं ट्रैफिक में कैसा है, हम लोग रुकते थे ना एक गाड़ी
हाँ, हाँ,
या
हाँ,
फिर
हाँ।
हाईवे पे
Hmm.
रुकते थे, ऐसे दो गाड़ी रहती थी तो एक गाड़ी ऐसा थोड़ा अंदाजा लेती थी कि आगे जाने वाला है कि नहीं, और फिर आगे इंडिकेटर देके लेफ्ट में जाते थे या फिर राइट में
Yeah.
जाते थे. So I used to think that whenever like two cars at the same time at the same speed are next to each other, they like slow down and they keep. It's
Acha,
like
they
a
match.
magnetic
Acha,
thing.
oh.
It's like a magnet.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's very creative.
very
Yeah.
cute.
Yeah.
Bro, something whimsical that I could not stop thinking about
Hmm.
because of YouTube, especially, and because whenever my cousins would congregate, we would always look like scary pranks up on YouTube. We have stumbled upon Bloody Mary.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck
Yes.
no!
I
Fuck
have
no.
believed that. For
I have
but
never had the balls to do it.
I have never had the balls to
I
do it.
had.
You did it. Did
Yeah.
something happen?
No.
It doesn't work.
My mom-
because I've been many things, but I've never been pattu. And
Yeah.
when like I know my cousins want me not to do it, but I have tried it alone.
What time?
Same.
Huh?
What time?
It's 3 a.m.
3 a.m.
That's when you have to do it. And it has never worked. But then I was like, no, but these people on YouTube, why would they lie?
Bro, my mom.
Little do they know.
We are
Little do we
people
know.
on YouTube and
who
we
lie.
are lying.
Bro, my mom got like shit scared when I was doing
Yeah?
that. Only that happened, nothing else. Because my mom.
Acha, mom scared you.
Yeah. So I am doing this thing in my bathroom in front of my mirror. I'm like, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary.
I
And then-
still will not have the balls to do it.
And then there's just like tuck, tuck, tuck on the bathroom door.
मेरी
right?
body निकल जाती है
मेरी मस्त वाली निकल जाती है.
And then I was like, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? And then I opened the door and it's just my mom. She's like,
Oh my god, that's my mom. It's not Bloody Mary.
she's like, पागल वगैरह था नहीं का जाओ तुम झोप.
ब्रो एक और चीज अभी करते हैं, मतलब अभी के बच्चों को तो मतलब ब्लडी मैरी वीजी बोर्ड वगैरह उनको ये नहीं पसंद आएगा, लेकिन वीजी बोर्ड का बाय द वे आई डोंट नो. हाँ,
Same. Even I
मुझे नहीं
haven't
पता,
had
Yeah.
balls.
मुझे बड़ा
मेरे को-
डाइसी लगता है
मेरे
वो.
को ये सब
Yeah.
ट्राई करना ही नहीं है.
I don't have the
I
balls to
don't
try
want to
that.
experience this bullshit.
Yeah, same.
I'm far away from
I
that.
really feel like Ouija board to an extent might work, but it's not as obvious as they make it seem. Like, you know, itna jaldi ja raha hai. It might be very, very
Yeah,
subtle.
because
and
I've
you have to keep a
seen-
very light finger on
Because
it.
I don't know where I sort of heard it, but like when ghosts need to communicate, उनको बहुत energy लगती है to communicate from one realm to the other.
Yes.
So this whatever energy that you create to call a ghost is what they use to communicate to you.
Yeah.
So moving the Ouija board so far is not possible.
Hmm.
So it might be very gradual, very
Yes.
slow, but I don't know if it's true or
Yeah,
not.
but then if you're saying it is slow, then it might last even after you've closed the board up.
Yeah.
And there's a whole
There's some ritual na, to
You
be
have
like,
say-
okay, I'm done now. This
I
is
don't want to do
closed.
all that. Like
Yeah, me
genuinely, I
neither.
don't want to
Yeah.
do
Me
all
Yeah,
neither,
no,
me
same.
neither.
But there is a rule that you have, like
Yeah,
a set
yeah, yeah.
procedure that you have to follow
Hmm.
while summoning
doing it.
something on the board.
This is one time we were in Hyderabad
Hmm.
visiting my aunt, my Masi.
Okay.
Okay. It was me, my sister, my cousin Arzu, and her brother. Okay. Mom side, all mom side.
Hmm.
Her brother and my sister were older, so they could leave the building and go outside to the shops.
Right.
We were very young, so me and my cousin sister, we stayed at home, and these two went out to go to the shops and like look to like shop or something. Okay. They come back lunchtime. We're sitting around the chatai to eat lunch, and then my brother comes to me. He's like, "Listen, Rida's going to, or my sister's going to offer you a chewing gum. Don't take it." I was like, okay, take it, I won't take it. This bitch 5 minutes later offers me a chewing gum. Guess what I do?
You don't take it.
You take it. It's one of those shock ones.
Oh, I don't remember this.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay. And then I was like, I screamed at her. Whatever, we had a fight. Okay. That day itself, 2 or 3 more times, she has offered me that chewing gum. And I have taken it every single time. No, but the worst part is that I took it. But I took it, fuck that.
Yeah.
Fuck the fact that I took it. I got progressively more mad every time because she kept doing it to me.
दीदी मत करो.
and then the last time that she did it, I got so mad. I went screaming, crying to my mom. She's like, look at what she's doing to me. And those 3 are standing there, they're laughing at me. Why do you keep falling for it?
She's like, she sees it, like, ah! And she takes it back.
They are laughing. They're like, why do you keep falling for it? I'm like, why do you keep doing it to me? No, you fall for it once, I understand.
Yeah, second time you're an idiot.
Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me.
Shame on you. That was my thought process. Because even mom couldn't take it seriously,
You were
right?
daft.
Yeah, even mom couldn't take it seriously because, like, rationally thinking,
She's like,
why
किसको
was I
पैदा किया मैंने अभी?
falling for it?
Yeah.
That's so But yeah, I got really mad and I had a big fight with my sister over this.
Valid.
Yeah,
my
you know,
God.
another thing that my mom had told me, and I don't know why she would do this.
Yeah.
Okay, and okay, guys, don't make fun of me, okay, when I say this, but I was in the 7th grade, and it was
That's
like,
so embarrassing.
yeah, right. 7th grade is so weird. Like, why you would, bro? I literally was having this conversation with my mom, and I was like, why did you have kids who were in the 8th standard and 7th standard? Bro, that's such a gray area of life. Like, who is in 8th standard? I'm sorry to the people who are in 8th standard, but bro, just grow up.
7th was way worse than 8th.
Yeah, no.
7th was way worse
Like,
than
I
8th.
don't have any memories apart from having a bad teacher in school.
No, 7th standard, actually we always had
Yeah,
bad
but
teachers.
I just remember.
Oh
she
my
had-
god, the 7th one was
Yeah.
really
The
bad.
7th one was really bad, and the
But
3
you
or
were not
4
in our class.
You were in
70.
Yeah, she was in our
Yeah,
class.
I
Oh,
was
right.
And it was
she
that
sucked.
annoying.
She was best friends with the
teacher.
Marathi teacher.
Yes.
And I don't
Force. They
know, bro,
were
I
force.
don't know why they were beefing with these children.
You know what? For my birthday, she was like, she forgot that it was my birthday and she didn't let me distribute the chocolates until the last period.
Bitch.
Where kids were almost ready to go, and I was like, brother, this is my
You never
day.
went. Oh my god. No,
I
she would do that just for like
Shit's-
getting back at you.
And you know
bro.
what?
Yeah.
I had to go to the staff room and be like, ma'am, I did not distribute my chocolates yet. Can I do it right now? And she's like, oh, it's already the last period. I was like, oh, you want me to do it tomorrow? Do you want me to do
My
it
day's
tomorrow?
over.
But anyway, coming back,
Oh
I
my
was in the 7th
God.
grade, and that was the first time I got my period. Okay, in the 7th grade, like the
Oh
vacation
my
of
God,
7th grade.
same.
Yeah,
same.
I got it in 6th.
Wow.
Early bloomer.
Yeah.
Yes.
But
But still a late bloomer.
I was not going to go there.
why? Why would you go there?
I can make fun about myself. Who cares?
Your
Anyway,
mom will
Continue,
get.
continue.
And I was at home when I got my period for the first time, and I was of course panicking. I was like, oh my god, I saw one line of blood. I was like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? I went and met my mom, and she's like, okay, fine, you know, you probably got a period for the first time. Yay, congrats! And then she gave me a pad. I wore the pad.
You knew
And-
how to put a pad on?
No. She
taught
She
you.
taught me how to wear the pad.
They always teach you once and then you're
Yeah,
done.
and then after
Good,
that,
they're
you're
good
like
for
raw
life.
dogging it. You're
Yeah.
like doing whatever the fuck you want.
Yeah.
Then when I put it on, I of course felt a little uncomfortable because like, ugh,
Yes.
that feels weird or whatever. And then I asked her, can I pee and poop in this? Because I thought that it was a diaper. And I remember before this happening, she had told me, I don't know why she told me this.
That you can pee and poop.
Yes! Huh? Oh, I know this. She was
said
said
it
it
before.
Yeah, and she was like, I don't know if she probably just said it out of a joke, but I
Yeah.
believed her, or she
Hmm.
was in a hurry and she just said yes.
Hmm.
And I asked her, can I pee and poop in this? Like, can I treat it as a diaper? And she's
Yeah.
like, yeah. And I took her word for it, but I'm glad I asked her for the first time that I wore it if I can pee and poop, because that would have been an embarrassment.
I'm glad you asked
Ew,
her.
babe.
I don't know why I asked her that.
No, fuck asking. Like you believed it for so long. I'm glad. You,
No,
I'm glad.
the time between I asked her and when I got my period was like not that long.
No, but yeah, like once I was in first standard or something and I had diarrhea. So then my mom put her sanitary pad on my underwear.
Oh, that's so good.
She should have just put a cup up your butthole, bro. That would have
What,
been
a
better.
menstrual cup?
Yeah, not a teacup, Zia. Like what?
First of all,
That's what I imagined.
there were
No
no menstrual
menstrual
cups
cup.
back then. Second
Make
of
one.
all,
Put a teacup only then.
no, second of all, a menstrual. I don't know if a menstrual cup would fit. Third of all, I think
Of course not.
think you bleed way less than you shit.
I
Tell
mean,
me I'm
yeah,
wrong.
That's why I put a teacup.
Chai.
Hot chocolate.
This is still nothing. There's this one thing that I used to believe. It's like, I used to think, so you would see like condom ke ads on TV, right? Sometimes.
Yeah.
So I used to see that ad. And I used to think that condom is like a pill that you take
Yeah.
before like
Sometimes
kissing.
still people think that.
Kinky ho rahe ho.
Pill you take after.
No, this is before. You take this pill before
Okay.
and then
Okay.
you kiss and all. You rub your bodies while kissing.
Precisely, that's how you make babies.
That's how
That
you
is
make babies.
to this day I believe.
And then you get pregnant. But if you take the pill before doing all of that,
You
then
don't.
you don't get pregnant.
Wow.
It's basically
Co-
because I
quite
did not
close.
know I did
Quite
not know
close.
why men's washrooms had urinals. Like that never occurred to me
Hmm.
until I got to know that men have like different genitals.
Yeah, I also believe that they used to poop also on the urinal because I was like, I couldn't see inside, right? Like, am I making sense?
No, you're making sense.
Right?
I'm picturing it.
Exactly.
No, wait. That means so to pee they're standing like this. To
Poop, they're gonna turn.
Yeah.
and facing the door.
Yeah, so
With that pant on and they're like,
Yeah, and that dick is hanging.
and without any like divider, so all of them are just holding hands and pooping.
No, it's true.
हम होंगे
Guys,
कामयाब.
Because you could never see the commode of the inside, right? Even if you open the door and you see a
You
get a
only see
glance at
urinals,
it,
yeah.
you only see urinals. So I
Yes.
was like, okay, fine. These people probably use it as a multi-purpose thing.
Boys, let us know down in the comments if this happens or not.
Have you all tried at least? Genuine question.
In an empty restroom, I think somebody must have tried.
Bro,
listen, listen,
That's worse. There's no flush. It's open. There's no water to wash it.
Yeah.
Figure it out.
No water.
Figure it. Hey, why do you know? Why do you know? Pakdi gayi.
Why do you know?
Do you not know that? There's no water to wash
No.
at the urinal?
No.
You didn't know that?
I thought
There's a
like
flush.
tap or
There probably is a
something.
flush.
Flush? Yeah, okay, sure, there's a flush, but how do you wash it?
Nobody
washing?
imagine.
What are you
What?
washing?
If you're pooping at the urinal, how are you cleaning it?
There might be a bidet next to it.
Yeah. First of all,
Why-
imagine somebody has used it to take a dump and there is no flush and the other person has to pee on that poop.
Oh my god.
Why? Bro,
We started the episode with poop and it circles back to that.
we love it. But listen, I feel like if the kid and partners could pee in the sink,
He was a kid.
Why
It's
not?
still
As a
fine.
kid.
There's water.
but still, like, it's so inconvenient for you to climb up on the sink and then pee. I'm making sense.
Bro, you know what?
No.
I have this in my house. There's a in my washroom. There's the commode and there's a mirror on top. On the second floor, the big washroom, right? Once I was fixing my makeup and it didn't latch the door, and my dad just walks in. Once I'm done, I instantly go out, and my mom is like, "What were you doing?" I was like, "I was fixing my makeup," and then apparently my dad told my mom that my dad asked my mom why I was peeing standing.
Try kar rahi thi zara.
No, he genuinely thought I was peeing
I
standing.
was,
So cute.
I was doing like a little bit of research on like
Yeah.
if other cultures have certain things, and I came across this one Reddit text. It said that this woman, she used to go to a convent school in Ireland, and over there the teachers would tell them that if you sit on a chair after a man has sat on it, you get pregnant.
It's true for toilets.
What?
Yeah,
I believe it.
fear mongering बोलते हैं इसको. No, but they said a lot of wacky shit.
Yeah,
and,
yeah,
like,
to keep us away from men.
Yeah, in like, I don't want to say it. It's very controversial. Fuck it.
No, but I know where you're coming from.
Yeah,
It's convent
sometimes
school
it is
thing.
that. Not just convents, any religion.
Oh.
Every religion has some of that.
It's to prevent
Okay.
you from
Yeah.
like,
Doing wrong at a very early age.
Yeah,
Hmm.
doing wrong. So,
Wrong, whatever that
Yeah.
means. for
Whatever that
people.
means for
like you all
people,
know,
agreed.
I really love babies and I
Yes.
love old people. Okay,
Yes.
and my grandmom was a very like a diva. Okay, she loved bags. She loved going to the gymkhana. She liked having her nails done. She was very I never said that to y'all before, but my grandmom was that.
She was the
She
it
was
girl.
the it girl back then.
Mhm.
Like she used to go to gymkhanas in the night and like come back. Have like
She was brat.
she was brat. She used to play housey with her friends and like she used to
Peak.
wear
P-E-A-K
No, I want to be a housey grandmother for sure.
Yes,
and
I
her
want to be the
name
cool
her
one.
name was Caroline.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, bitch.
One of my favorite songs is called Caroline.
Caroline.
Yeah. Okay. So and time and again she would tell me to paint her nails and like stuff like that. Okay. So I used to paint her toenails, I used to paint
Yes.
her fingernails, and when I used to paint this, she used to watch this serial. Okay, and it used to be the normal soap operas.
Yeah.
Okay, that we have, and I think it was Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. I don't remember if it was that, but the dadi in that show. Okay.
Yes.
Again, don't hold me against this, but I don't know if it was this show or another one, but the grandmom passes away in that show.
Okay.
Okay,
different show
and
then.
it's probably a different show. But I was like really, really little when I was seeing this, and I was of the firm believer that people in the show, characters in the show, they grow up as the show progresses. So if the kid version and the adult version they show in the show, it's the same person growing up,
Yes, that's
and
what I
they
thought
film
too.
like years later.
That's what I thought too.
And I was like, bro, how are they filming it so fast and how are they growing so fast? Like, math is not mathing. And I was like, if someone dies on the show, they've actually
they
died.
actually died. Same.
Yeah. So this grandmom died on the show. She was like really, really old, and all the family members have like gathered for her death.
Yeah.
And I couldn't hold that in. I ran. I left the nail polish bottle. I ran to my room and I was sobbing. I put my face in my pillow and I was
Oh my
just crying because I used to watch that show on a regular, and I sort of built that connection
Yes.
with that family, with that grandmom especially. And then my parents and all, they came running thinking that I got hurt or like,
Yeah.
something major happened. And then, so Catholics call our grandmoms Nana. And I was like, Nana died in that show.
Oh.
And then I could not stop crying. And then my parents were like, sort of pacifying me, and they were like,
Didn't
she's
actually
relaxed.
die.
She didn't
Yeah.
actually
Too
die.
adorable,
She
Just a
just
bro.
died. Being an Indian soap, she'll come back also. You never know.
Yeah, you never know.
So
No, similar thing with like
Yeah.
TV and like thinking it's like realistic. It used to always fuck with me when there was, you know how you had to change channels
Yes.
on cable earlier,
Yeah.
and there were two movies with the same actor on the same screen at
Oh.
once, and then you were like, how is he doing that all at once?
are there two rooms? Is this Popat Lal ka episode where he's going from one house
I
to
thought
the other?
every movie on Setmax, Stargold, etc. was a live theater event.
Yes.
Same,
Yes.
same,
That's what I thought
same,
too.
same.
Arre baapre. Huh?
Yeah, it used to always be like, jump kar. Shah Rukh Khan do jagah pe kaise?
What's even more interesting is how does he know कि मैं कब switch कर रही हूँ ताकि उसको मालूम है कि jump
है ना?
करना है.
And what if तू switch कर रही है, मैं अलग time पे
नहीं
switch
कर
कर रही
रही
हूँ
है.
अपने घर पे.
Exactly. How is it tallying?
Bro, I used to think Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol were married.
Everyone thought
Everyone
that.
thought that, bro.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone
Even they
ships
thought
them.
that.
और फिर अजय देवगन आ गया.
Shit.
Singham.
But like,
Pawan masala.
speaking of TV, my
I did this and you were like, Singham.
The silent laughter. But yeah.
Speaking of TV, my dad. So जब we used to live पहले जहाँ पर अभी कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है घर का, तो TV was there was like थोड़ा distance था to the sofa. तो बहुत बारी ना आवाज नहीं आती थी, और आती थी तो पंखा वगैरह से वो it would get
Muffled.
mixed with the other
Audio.
sound.
Different sounds, yeah.
So दीदी और मैं used to sit नीचे on the floor and then watch TV.
Hmm.
And my dad for एक तो he never let Didi and me eat
With TV.
while watching TV because he said कि TV के radiations तुम्हारे खाने में चले जाएंगे and then it'll enter your body, so you're not supposed to watch TV
It's a
while
good
eating.
habit, but I don't
It's
think
a
ऐसा
good
कुछ
habit,
होता
but
है.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता.
Hmm.
But like, it makes sense कि तुम्हारा ध्यान ऊपर है और कोई कीड़ा गिर गया और तुमने वो खा लिया, तुम बीमार पड़ गए.
Yeah.
Understandable.
तेरे
still.
थाली में कितनी बार कीड़ा पड़ा है भाई?
0 बार.
Exactly.
I'm thinking
I
from
get
their
it.
perspective.
I
I'm
get
like,
it. I get it.
if they would have said this, I would have still believed it. And I would have followed it
You're
till
thinking
today.
of different reasons why they said
Yes. But
Yeah.
like ये radiation का system किधर से आ गया? मुझे
it.
सम
शांत हो.
even today when I'm on my phone and like I'm watching something while I'm eating like a small snack, Papa's like phone rakh.
No, but when parents said it's the phone, it is the damn phone.
It is the damn phone.
They're not lying
They're
there.
not lying.
They aren't lying there.
I
But I'm
have
gonna save
fever.
that.
I have sort of a bad cold because of my phone.
Yeah.
I
That
do.
makes sense.
That
I
makes
burnt my hand
complete
because of
sense.
my phone.
Because of your phone.
Yeah.
No, but like I feel like some on the other way now it connects to the phone.
They
It
make it.
does.
They somehow make it.
But am I growing old because I believe this now? I genuinely believe that a lot of this shit that happens in your
Growing
life,
old is a myth. You never grow.
you
old.
never grow
never
old.
grow
You have to stay young at heart.
How young
You-
are you?
Not young like me when I used to
22.
be fucking gullible and shit.
Yeah.
Bro, I'll tell you, the way my sister has gaslit me throughout my life, it's
Hmm.
not even fucking funny. we used to watch 9XM
Hmm.
growing up.
Yes.
Okay.
Bade chote.
Love.
Absolutely fucking slay. MTV 9XM, that
Oh my
was
god,
our
this
shit.
reminds me of something my dad did.
So we used to be at home
Hmm.
and nobody else was probably my mom was like taking a nap or something,
Hmm.
and she used to always do this. She has done this for months on end. When I used to be very little
Hmm.
and I couldn't read,
Right.
she used to be like, I'm gonna predict what song's coming next.
Oh.
And she always got it right because she was older than me and she could read.
Play next.
And I always wondered, I was like, how is she doing that?
My sister would also do that.
I'll predict what comes next, because you're so daft at that time. You're
Yes.
like, you can't read anything. What advantage these people have taken?
And
Yeah.
here's another thing that my brother had done once, and I caught him there. Okay?
You clocked it.
I clocked it. You know those guns which used to give out that plastic sort of, I don't know, like a
Nerf
coin
gun.
or
Nerf
something.
gun.
Hmm.
And my brother and my neighbor were playing with it once.
Hmm.
Okay. And I saw them playing with it, and I was like, hey, even I want to play. Even I want to play. And they were like, oh, the gun is like that, right? They were like, oh, you have to actually hold it like this and then shoot
Shoot.
it. I was like,
मामू मत बना.
मामू किसको बना रहा है तू? पप्पू किसको बना रहा है तू?
Bro,
वो
but
बता.
he like intentionally wanted to hurt you.
Yeah.
That's just a brother.
That's a
Just a
normal
brother.
sibling thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
I scratched the fuck out of my sister today morning.
love.
Exactly.
Love.
It's a part of a siblingship is to hurt.
Yes.
Physically only.
Physically only.
Guys, I have a question.
Hmm.
When did y'all used to go with your parents to the ATM when they withdrew cash?
No.
Never. I hate the
What?
fucking bank.
I went like once.
Oh
or
my
twice.
god! You know what? When I was little, my mom. So like a couple of years ago, the ATM, the closest ATM next to our house was maybe like 20 minutes away from our house. Okay, like 15-20 minutes away from our house. So my mom used to be like, "You want to go for a walk with me?" I was
Hmm.
like, "Yeah, sure, I'll come with you." I used to go everywhere with my mom, bro.
Yes.
At that point,
Mom
7th
paglu.
standard, like mom. I'm a mom paglu bhai. I love my mom. So I was like, "Yeah, okay, you want to go for a walk? I'll go for a walk with you." And then we used to go to the walk for like go to the ATM, and then she used to put in the pin, she used to do everything, and I used to only like, Mama, I'll take out the cash.
Hmm.
And I used to think that entire system just gave off free cash.
That's valid to think.
Right?
As a kid, that's valid to think.
Yeah.
I was like, this is sorted, bro. I don't need to work when I grow
Yes.
old. I just need a card. I will just do clink, clink, clink. I will get the money.
God,
I will get hot money.
Any card, Uno card, fucking
Eight,
playing card,
Menu card.
Menu. Speaking of parents, my dad did this one thing once. So I was like cribbing about not eating food. So
Mm-hmm.
like I had sabzi and roti and I only wanted to eat one. But mama's like, you need to finish at least 2, if not 3. And I was like, Arey, I don't want to eat. And so my dad, he's like, see, I'll take half from you. So we'll split the roti. ठीक है?
Right.
So roti का उन्होंने half किया and he took half and then he gave the other half to me. And then he's like, now you gave me half. So I'm also going to give you half. So he split his half into half and gave me the half.
So you had a full roti.
No, not
You
yet.
had the same thing.
Not yet. Not yet.
Huh?
So he has quarter and I have 3/4 of it, of the roti now.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm like, now you gave me half. You gave me half, so I'm going to give you half. And then I split my half of that
Oh my
Quarter
god.
and I gave it to him. And back and forth, karte karte. And he was talking to me, so I was also eating while talking to him with the, you know, I was the small bites करके I was eating और मैंने वैसे करके पूरी रोटी खाई है.
So he taught you fractions.
How?
He manipulated.
Yes. And every time that, you know, we bring this up now, my dad's like, you were so stupid. I'm like, you were so smart to do that.
No, as an adult also, I don't completely understand what happened.
Bitch, me neither. I just went with it. I just went with it and I eventually ended up eating the whole roti.
Yeah, that was really true because it was like, okay, last bite one for Abu. Take.
Yes, yes,
Last
yes.
Yeah,
bite
yeah.
one for
For
Mama.
Mama.
Take.
For Didi.
For Didi.
Dadu,
Yeah.
Dadi.
Aeroplane.
That
Yeah.
my
My
mom was
parents-
not that goofy.
No, my mom used to sometimes do it. In fact, yesterday my mom fed me because I was so tired after the shoot.
Aww.
Yes.
What'd you eat?
I had chapati, bhaji, and chicken curry.
Love.
And we were watching Partners. My dad had put Partners on the TV. I was like, Mama, I can't lift a finger right now, let alone open my mouth to put it inside. Mom's like,
My dad always
And then I was
volunteers
like-
to
I was like,
feed.
Mama, please feed
Didi
me.
and
And
me.
she's like, yeah. And she
I
was so
love when my
happy
dad
feeding
feeds
me.
me.
I was so
Yes.
happy.
My
Yes.
dad used to make like these
Food
chotu,
just tastes
chotu.
extra
Yeah.
good when they feed you.
Yes.
Extra good.
Yeah, my dad used to make like these chotu
Yeah,
bites and keep
yeah.
it first.
Yes.
And then whenever I would eat like fish curry and rice, so then he would like cut up the fishes into like small chotu pieces, and then he would keep that one fish on top of the rice, and then I would want like 2 pieces of fish on one bite
Yeah.
and then he used to be
Yeah.
like, no, more than the at one time."
Yeah, I used to get really mad when my mom like didn't put achar, papad, and everything in every single bite. Like if I'm having dal gosh or something, like you need to, or maybe if I'm having chicken with my rice, like I need a little bit of chicken, a little bit of whatever it is,
Yeah, yeah.
everything on the
Yes.
plate in one bite, and then she used to get so mad.
I like it in every bite, not just one.
Like she would be like, okay, next bite I'll give you achar, next bite I'll give you chicken. She's get so annoyed like that. Now I can eat whatever bite I want.
Dude, speaking of eating, have you all ever had your parents tell you, kid, don't swallow a seed and then a plant will grow
Yeah.
Yes,
from your
yes.
stomach?
Yes.
Did you all believe it?
I
I
would
always
be
thought.
really grateful when I eat fruit. I used to be very picky.
I used to think that one tree will be the inside my stomach.
Yes, and like
I
I
used
like
to picture a small animated tree in my stomach.
like
Yeah.
it's coming out of my mouth.
No, I
and
should never think of that. I
Yeah,
used to be like,
so
it'll
I
just
have
be
gone
there.
to
Out of
that
your mouth,
extent.
out of your nose, out of your ears.
No, just my mouth.
Oh, okay.
Just
Even
my mouth. And then
that-
यहाँ से बाहर आकर it's like flourishing into a proper tree.
Wow.
Do you guys
You're the bark.
remember have your parents or like elders ever told you like papaya seeds, if you ever step on them, you will lose your eyesight?
No, my
No.
mom, in fact, she would like force my sister and me to eat carrots so we would have good vision.
yeah.
मेरी बहन को चश्मे हैं.
Hey, no, but the same thing happened with me. Like my mom forced me, and I used to love carrots.
I love
And I
carrots.
used to like
Carrots
beetroot
are
also
great,
a
like
lot.
I
top tier
love
vegetable.
carrot. I swear.
Top tier vegetable.
You know,
Chachi the better.
No, I think I did not like it as much pehle, but then recently I had gone for a vacation and then they were serving us like dinner and I just happened to take like 2-3 kakadis
Yes.
and like 1 carrot.
I love the buffet carrot.
I love
kakadi.
the-
I
I
know
love
it's been cut 12 hours before.
12
But
months
I-
before.
It
still
slaps.
I still eat it.
Love
that.
it.
I
And I
love
like
the
taking
best like bit of freshness
Yes.
that you need.
Yeah.
like I'll put tomato,
Yes.
1 kakadi, and then carrot, and then
No.
salt and everything. Then I'll have the bite.
I
I
have
love
one.
that.
I hate
love
tomato.
that.
Tomato I can't do, but yeah, kakadi and
Yeah.
No, I love
gajar I
tomatoes
get.
even
Can't.
during salad.
Yeah, so I stepped on that papaya seed and then I was like, fuck, अब तो मैं अंधी हो जाऊंगी. And then I started crying
Yeah,
and go
बर्फ
up to
पड़ने
my
वाली है.
mom and I'm like, Mama, I'm going to be blind now. And she's like, मैंने बोला था तुझे, सुनना नहीं होता.
भाई अंधी
अब क्या करेगी तू?
Andhi?
You just called her by on
another this thing like that my parents told me, not parents but like everyone around, like
Yeah.
older people told me that if you directly look at a bat in the night, they'll come and snatch your eye away.
Yeah, that's why now. So sometimes in my building now, when I'm going up the stairs, like the bat comes up, goes ऐसा,
Yeah.
फिर के ऐसा आ जाता है.
You have
And
one
then-
resident bat.
Bro, it keeps coming in our building, and then I close my ears and I'm ducking like this and I'm going up.
Yeah.
I don't know why. It has never touched me.
For a very long time I did not look at a bat straight because I'm like, मुझे मेरी आंखें प्यारी है, मैं गाजर भी खा रही हूँ.
You know what? you know in movies how they show if they have to like save themselves from like a thief or like a robber or like something basically for self defense, they throw mirchi in someone's eyes.
Yes.
It like burns them. That's why they stop for a while.
and you can escape.
I was under the impression it makes them blind. Okay, now here
So
this out.
pepper spray also makes people blind.
Yeah, I didn't know the concept of pepper spray in fourth standard.
Fair.
So in fourth standard, I was friends with this one group, okay, and we were
I
having
must know the names later.
yeah,
Yes.
you will,
Mhm.
and it was our short break,
Hmm.
so it was snack time, and this friend got masala papad.
Ooh.
Okay, so it was and I took the papad
Hmm.
with the most masala.
Of course.
Okay, and it was like a quite big piece. I bit into it,
Hmm.
and the masala went in my eye.
Hmm.
Now I'm panicking.
Hmm.
I am crying. I'm going and telling our teachers that,
Hmm.
Mom, I'm getting blind. Mom, I'm going to get blind. And then all my other friends, they were laughing at me. They were like, Sanjana, just wash your eye. Like,
And you're going to be
you're
good.
going to be fine. It's
Yeah.
not that serious. You're not going to go blind. And I was like, no, you don't know. I've seen it. People get blind. Yes, I think you know who I'm talking about.
No!
Then,
I'm thinking out of all of us, only you use glasses.
But I use it for
Screen.
screen, not for like because
Still,
yeah.
bitch.
Even
but yeah, that was scary.
even the chewing gum thing, it happened to me. चिपका नहीं मेरे पेट में, but my
नहीं.
parents had strictly told me कि chewing gum नहीं खाना है.
Hmm.
मतलब no.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And this one time I was coming back from school in the school bus, and it was दिवाली ब्रेक के पहले जो एग्जाम होती है ना, उसमें था, and it was my last paper. ठीक है. And one of my friends or somebody from the bus offered me a chewing gum, and I was like, you know what,
Rebel.
last day है school का, why not? ठीक है. और and then I'm like,
Last day है मतलब कोई और दिन देती तो तू नहीं खाती.
छुट्टी
हाँ लेकिन तू कोई और दिन देती तो तू नहीं खाती.
नहीं, हमने लास्ट डे है स्कूल का,
आज
let's go
crazy
crazy,
करेंगे.
let's go crazy. ठीक है. फिर I had the chewing gum, and then I'm chewing, oh very nice, very good, first time having it, love the texture, whatever, good feel.
Valid.
And then somehow बस में ना झटका पड़ गया, तो ब्रेक पड़ गया, तो हम सब
और
जोक
वो
लग
अलग
गया,
गया.
और वो गल्प कर लिया मैंने.
Oh.
मैं बोला, एक तो मैं पहली बार खा रही हूँ, मेरे माँ बाप ने मना किया है खाने से, मैंने फिर भी खाया है. अगर मैं थूक देती तो उनको मालूम नहीं पड़ता, लेकिन अब मैंने गल्प कर लिया. एंड नाउ आई हैव टू गो होम विद दिस गिल्ट कि ये च्युइंग गम जिंदगी भर मेरे पेट में अटकने वाला है. और आई डिड नॉट टेल माय पेरेंट्स अबाउट इट.
दूसरे दिन पॉकेट में आएगा ही नहीं.
They still don't know this.
Now they know.
Now they know.
Now they
Now
know.
they'll know.
But now they know that you eat chewing gum.
Yeah. Now they know. That's okay.
Bro,
ये कैसा सवाल है?
I don't know, bro.
Bro, one of my cousins once swallowed a coin, and then we were feeding him banana.
What?
So that he would
Followed a coin.
swallowed a coin.
I heard followed.
Bro, coin.
What? How much
So we
amount
used-
was it?
So it was a coin, a
Maybe-
2 rupee coin.
हाँ, 2 rupee. That's what I
That's
wanted.
big, no?
That's
Quite
quite
big.
big.
I
1
don't
rupee
know.
would have been
I was
understandable.
thinking like 25 paisa or something.
I don't know what the hell he was doing, but like yeah, he
Valid.
swallowed a coin, and then we all
Coin.
we all were making him eat banana so that he poops and the
No, that's smart.
Wait, he did that in
Wow.
college?
ये कैसे सवाल पूछ रही है तू?
You know.
No, but then how did you know bananas make you shit?
parents, yeah.
Achha, okay.
You know, my mom's colleague, she had told me once that he has a younger daughter, okay? And I think she was in the first or something. Or I don't remember if it was first or like KG, but it was like the first few standards of school, okay? And she finished her first year, and then she's like, yay, last day. And then she didn't know that she had to go back to school the next year. And she was like, hey, वापस करना है ये, मुझे स्कूल वापस जाना है
10
next year.
साल और
10 बार और.
I'm just imagining the thoughts.
innocence.
The thoughts that must be going through her mind कि shit भाई मेरे को लगा मैंने कर दिया अभी.
No, I used to think, no, I used to think that every day.
आज last day, आज last day.
last day.
We were literally living on the edge. We were living day by day.
Because why wasn't it made so clear from the beginning?
What the fuck is that?
Living on the edge,
Living
Vakar
on the
Saka.
edge.
Why wasn't it made clear from the beginning that I have to do this every day for so long?
Yes.
I
You're
think
so
they just
right.
gaslight like thoda और
Disclaimer
thoda और.
मिल जाता तो अच्छा रहता.
Yeah, at least I'd be mentally prepared.
Valid.
You know, there are these stupid kids also in school who made it worse because they used to, they used to make up these stupid games and stupid rules like, oh, if the lines on your palm from both the hands align
Yeah,
together,
yeah.
you're gonna marry a prince. You're gonna marry someone rich. You're gonna marry a
I
Yeah,
don't
I
believe
used to be-
people.
I used to be
I
the
don't
one.
believe palm
Yeah?
reading at all.
I used to be the one to make such absurd rules.
yeah. And then I used to be like, shit, mine is not aligning.
मेरा
What to do?
मेरा apparently moon है.
सबका moon होता है.
Moon
पागल.
नहीं
नहीं
है.
नहीं सबका नहीं होता.
मेरा
Not
moon,
everyone.
moon.
सबकी नहीं होती लकी. लक्ष्मण.
सबकी नहीं होती लक्ष्मण.
मेरा भी
और
नहीं।
मुझे किसी ने
मेरा तो चौकंडी है.
चौकंडी. What the hell is that?
Moon.
भाई मेरा तो straight line भी नहीं हो रहा moon.
But I never believed in palm reading.
Yeah, no, I mean, I knew I didn't believe in it, but it was like, bro, why?
Whack.
Bro,
Why?
मेरी
Why?
skin तो हर साल निकलती है. तो
I
मतलब-
remember that, bro. I remember your skin used to like peel and you put something also, na? Like you used to put ointment or something.
Oh
Yeah,
shit, yeah. It happened in 7th also, no? I think.
It used to happen every year.
Now it's fine.
Now it's fine. But yeah, parents would lie about a lot of things to us.
Definitely, bro.
We used to
Yeah.
believe it like
They lied because they had a vision कि एक दिन हम चारों यहाँ कमरे में बैठ के डिस्कस करेंगे.
Correct.
और हम अब कर रहे हैं, तो आप नीचे कमेंट कर दो, लाइक कर दो वीडियो को, शेयर दिस विथ योर पेरेंट्स, मोस्टली योर
Yes.
सिबलिंग्स ऑल्सो. जिसने आपको झूठ बोला है, एक्स को भेज दो, बिल्कुल व्हाट्सएप पे अनब्लॉक करके भेज दो और फिर वापस ब्लॉक कर देना.
What emoji? Scissor and ear emoji comment करो अगर अब तक देखा है.
Yes.
Scissor and ear emoji.
Yes, there an ear emoji. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. We love you.
and if you're watching this on Instagram, if you don't follow us, what are you doing? Go and follow us.
What are you doing?
Yeah, bro.
I
What are
mean,
you doing?
engage on our reels. Make sure you like the reels. Make sure you comment nice things. Make sure you tag the people you want to share this reel to, or you want them to listen to these wacky ass stories. And then share this reels to your friends who lied to you when you were young, bullied you.
Yes.
Or
Yes.
like
Send
your
it to
parents
them.
who bullied you when you were young. Just do all of that.
Yeah.
And if you're listening to us on Spotify, please don't forget to give us a good rating.
Please.
Please. Until next
Until
time.
next time,
Stay
stay bitch around. Bye bye.